feel the good smell of the tree.
Ayan na naman siya. Good smell of the beach, good smell of the tree. Good smell of your wife, you never say anything.
This is not so good.
Gago. What's the smell of your wife? What's the smell of your wife, bebe? Like a plancha. Tampalin mo na mo. Already there is birds. What? I thought it's snake. So as in Mount Lake Kebitos, you want shortcut. Here, there's no shortcut.
Living free inside back of this,
Really?
you know?
Meh.
No, they're coming only here because they're curious.
Why you don't come really? Meh. Meh. Baby, not paying attention. He's very excited. Hello. 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 So big. Hello. Hi. Ay. Really? Ignoring suplado. Suplado siya, guys. What special birds is chicken, baby, when they baby?
No.
You will make it? I'm just joking to you. Maybe.
What spice that, baby? For this one they have to fresh your body.
Maybe there is fish will die there. Oh. So, nagmamadali ka lagi. Maybe you are just rushing in the snack bar, to make there only where you can smoke.
Look, baby, look.
Look how handsome my baby. Look, this is the best nature. Wow, very guapo.
There, baby, what is it?
Signo me. Wow, very nice.
You remember where is this?
No.
This white one.
No.
This is the place with the salt what I saw you the last time in
yeah.
Marmari.
Oh, look the birds.
Oh, very nice bird.
Look, olive tree. This how looks like the olive tree. Wala pa tayo in the middle, no? Nag-break agad.
It's a strange time, this, you know.
Pinanggero to So good. Like, alas. Look the view. Here's already. You're rushing eh.
This is the last. How is the baby? You find, eh? This is you looking for. This you searching, eh?
Oh, very relaxing, baby. Oh my god. So good.
Enjoy.
Bear, wait a little bit.
Fucked up.
Wait a little. Like you're fighting for your life. I did not catch the video that you're feeling down. Feeling naman to eh. So, meron silang mga ganito guys. Ayan. At papakita ko sa inyo. Ha?
Look, cut from here and to let it like swing for me.
Dami
Take
namang.
from here, baby. Cut and no, from here.
Kaya dami mang ano nito eh. From there I
No,
think.
take it and bring her.
You're very heavy.
No,
It doesn't allow.
that is enough.
Wow. Like at least they have trash bin. So good, oh. That's the view, guys. Yehey! Ano ba yan? Walang nagmo-move sa akin. How to move, bebe? Hindi na ako makatayo, guys. Aray, aray, aray. Hirap naman nito.
Very nice.
Tulog na
Maybe I
ang
will buy one like
baby.
this.
Tulog
And
na
we have it.
ang baby. Like this in the Philippines, the baby.
Yeah.
Tulog na ang baby, damulag. Tapos, hindi ka marunong mag-video. You don't know how to make video for me. And what is the next here?
Next is sleeping.
Tapos, ito lang yung binayo mo rito eh. We were not yet in the middle, no? We're
Finish.
getting lazy now. Finish.
No more.
No more. We will see pang the donkey. No worries. Maybe it will destroy the way.
Maybe we have to buy one like this. A lot of them.
Where we will put in the where?
We will have it when we go traveling somewhere. Now, for example, when we go to Corfu, if we go in one forest park, we put and we stay.
Why not?
Why not? Very nice.
But enough strong. Maybe if
Like
we
this,
will
I'm saying,
break
no, strong,
our
like this. This is strong.
to fix this. They fixing very good nature. Look on the up.
Yeah.
Like this house. But we don't move.
Alright.
Let's go. You said we will move and you stay there. I will not help you. What? It's okay, but that's not good, man. Yung aking, this is my alaga. Tulog yan ang bebe. Sarap na sarap to eh, no? She's the only one enjoying. Very unfair, guys. She's the only one enjoying.
You want to sit down here?
Sarap ng
You're
higa
not
mo.
allowing.
Sarap ng higa mo, guys. That
You
allows
want to
me to
take my
enjoy.
position? Anna.
When you,
Anna.
no, I have there. Because I don't know. I will go there. It's empty now.